Most people think you need a big budget to create cinematic video ads, but you're probably already sitting on everything you need. That image in your Canva folder, I'm going to turn it into a high-retention video ad in seconds, step by step, just using Canva. Let's get started. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to try to animate these travel posters for a few different cities that I designed in AI. So I've got San Francisco, London, and Atlanta. First, I'll take each one of these and come here into Canva. Remember, I already made these, so I went to Canva's homepage, then I went to social media and chose YouTube thumbnail. That's how I got here. Now I'm going to try a new way to animate them, an experiment, just to see if it works, so bear with me. The first thing I'll do is go back to the homepage and go to Canva AI, then choose Video Clip and 16:9. So for now, I'm just going to leave those other fields untouched. I will put my prompt right there. ChatGPT helped me write it based on my travel image of London image. It's very detailed. Basically, I gave ChatGPT this image and had it custom build around my image. Next, I'll upload my London file. And then there it is. Next, I'll click Submit. Now it's creating it for me. After a 45-second wait, here it is. And check that out, is that not amazing? There we go. Now we see the static image that I started with, and now the buses and cars are moving, so that's really cool. All this was built from that first static image, and now I've got almost a 6-second video. Down here, Canva is giving me ideas here you might want to try. Now I'm going to try the same thing and using another image, so I'll come right back here and go back to ChatGPT. So here you can see that I'm asking ChatGPT to do the same process as above with this new Atlanta poster. Then I'll tell it to go. And now it'll do the same thing and create a prompt to animate this travel poster. Now I'll grab the whole thing and go back to Canva and drop it right in there. I'll keep the same settings as before, then click Go. And now it'll take the prompt and the image and start working. I'll come back in a minute or so when it's done. Okay, let's click on this and make it bigger and see what we've got. Oh, that's really nice. The MARTA train is moving, so that's really nice. Okay, there's one more to do. So let's go back and let me get my other prompt. So there it is. Let me add my new one there. Uploaded. This one's San Francisco. So I'll do the same thing basically. I'll keep all this the same and then click on Submit. There's the prompt. Here's my image, and now Canva's working on it. So give it a minute or so and I'll come back when it's done. Here's the final product. Here is the starting image. So yeah, that's nice. So I'll click right here to go. Now you can see the cable cars and the airplanes are moving. So very nice. This could be a great intro for a travel video if you have a travel or a history channel especially. This could be a nice addition. No matter what kind of channel you operate, you can do the same thing. Just create your images and then bring them into Canva and use the AI video tool. Remember, the AI video tool is a paid, so you must have to have a pro account to use it. So come in here and try it for yourself. This is just one more way to do animations. They're not really long, but for what it's doing, you could always use it in your videos as an opener or as another kind of content. And I think this is just one way to make animations in Canva that not many people talk about. So have fun playing with this and making your own video experiments. One last thing I wanted to share with you about Canva. I know there are video limitations, and that's one of the things everybody always asks me about. So right now, it's the end of March 2026, so I asked Canva this question: how many videos can you make a month using Canva AI? So read this for yourself. It tells you all about how many you can make as of today, and it gives you some suggestions of other things you might want to try, such as magic media, using the text to video, which has a separate usage pool, so that's good to know. Canva also gave me these tips, so read this for yourself, and now you know, straight from Canva, about the best ways to make videos inside Canva, especially using AI. Have a great day making videos!
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.